Right, see the next two tasks here, 3.6 and 3.7. The first task is here in this 3.6 is write a Java program to compute the average of three numbers. There are given three numbers, 10.0, 20.5 and 30.6. So you need to calculate the average, compute the average, calculate the average. So we have given three numbers. Example, this is number one, number two, number three, or you can write A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever you name it, right? So use these three numbers, add the numbers, right? So how do you calculate the average? First add these three numbers and whole divided by number of numbers. How many numbers are there here? 1, 2, 3. Means addition and division of all these. This means division of, divide addition of this 10.0, 20.5 and 30.6 whole divided by 3, whole divided by number of elements are numbers. There's a formula here. So let me show you here the program here. You can see here there are three numbers, double A, 10, double B, 20, double C, 30.6. They have given three numbers and so I have to declare the result also an average, because all as an average all of double type, because doing the calculations, right? So formula here is, this is a formula, you must know the formula. Addition of these three numbers, 10 A plus B plus C whole divided this. If you miss this one, there is no error, but the calculation is mistake. You see right here, let me show you here. This is the means you need to do sum of all numbers by divided by number of elements, number of numbers. This is a formula for average. Now you're printing the average here, right? So save this program and run this one. You will get the answer 20.36. Now if you do mistakes here, if you don't add any parentheses, you do not make it. So what does it here? It will calculate A plus B. Then it will divide C number by 3 only. So first it will take the division, then it will add to B and C. You will see a different result. Now previously it is 20. Now it doesn't give any error, but it's just an exception. It's formula equation error. Okay, this is incorrect, not correct. So run here, you will see 40.7, right? It's not correct. So we make have an average of all numbers, means should be a division of whole sum. Whole sum. Hope everyone understand this one. Okay, there are many ways to complete the this program. In short, like I can say, there is another way. You can say no need of this one here. I can say let's directly here, no need of numbers. I can say 10.0 plus 20.5 plus 30.6 is also done. Then this is not necessary, delete, right? Then you print it, you'll see the answer 20 same. Okay, even this one also can be deleted. Again I will make more short, remove this one also, remove this one also. This is the equation, right? So I'll keep it here, remove the space and add it here, one more to avoid confusion. Yes, I'm adding the equation, right? So run this one, we'll get the same answer. So one line you finish the program, right? Here, let me minimize, you can see the whole equation here. One line you can finish the program. So this is how you do in the exams, right? I can give the program, you just add it, divide by, it's like a calculator, you do it in the calculator. So okay, if it is a program step by step, given algorithm, you have to use step by step. Declare variable A, B, C, initialize A value, B value, C value, declare the result. This is one step by step approach. Now this is for simple equation, you can do right away, print the equation into the result into the print, right? Using print method. So you'll get the result right away. It's like a calculator. Okay, there are many ways, depends on the programs and the, okay, time is save it, right? So let me keep it for my reference, all. Okay, this we need program, complete program. Okay, this is one thing. The next program here, write a Java code to convert time in minutes and hours from given seconds. Okay, from given seconds, this given means input, for input seconds, so they are given and display it, right? So what is given seconds here? 4500 means I have given seconds, I have seconds of a time like 4500. So what is the equivalent hour and minutes? What is equivalent hours and minutes? So for this one you have to see the formula, right? You have to some, you know, the equation like 60 1 minute. 1 minute equal to how many seconds? Can you answer me here? 1 minute equal to how many seconds? Can you answer me? Can anyone?
60.
Good, 60. 1 hour equal to how many minutes?
60.
50.
Good, 60, right? You just use the division, right? You just use the division here. So you will get the from if we have given a seconds, you divide by 60, you will get minutes, right? Again, from a given number of minutes, you divide by 60, you will get hours. So see the program here. I'm using the program here, time here. So given second 4500. So we want first minutes. So for given seconds divided by 60, you will get minutes. Again from the minutes you divide with 60, you will get hours. Now print hours and minutes. Hours, I'm using reverse. I'm printing first hours, then hours English text, and minutes text. So you see here, run the program. Means 4500 seconds is equivalent to 1 hour 75 minutes. You calculate by your own calculator, you'll get the same answer, right? Because you convert these seconds into minutes, again minutes into hours. So this is simple logic, right? I hope you did the same program. If not, you have to do it. Okay, so this is your all your task of chapter 3. Okay, I hope everyone understand these programs. Okay. By the way, at the end of the session, I can say here, when you when you want to see this recorded session, go to the Blackboard, go to the virtual classroom, again, menu, recording. You have all types, all recordings here, chapter 3, chapter 4. Okay, so you can go through, refer this one.